allies of President Emmerson Mnangagwa have intensified attacks on Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, exposing deepening factional tensions within ZANU-PF over succession and the future of the party beyond 2028. Sana mnamasho bank watches ED Vultures, pay for VP Chiwenga's head. Don't go subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tivina mnamo bank community at the center of the latest fallout are remarks made by Chiwenga during a sermon in Murewa on Saturday, which critics within the ruling party have seized upon as grounds to question his loyalty. Speaking at the Roman Catholic service, Chiwenga reflected on biblical story of Hezekiah, who after being told by the prophet Isaiah that his life was ending, prayed for more time and was granted an additional 15 years. He warned that an extra years brought unforeseen consequences. Comments widely interpreted in political circles as a veiled caution against attempts to extend presidential tenure beyond constitutional limits. The remarks comes at a time when ZANU-PF is grappling with internal debate over constitutional changes and succession, including efforts by some factions to extend Mnangagwa's rule. Local government minister Daniel Garwe, a key figure aligned to the pro-extension camp, quickly moved to counter Chiwenga's message. Speaking at a party event, Garwe dismissed the vice president's interpretation of scripture. Hezekiah did not beg for more years to rule, but he begged for more years of life. Garwe said, "We should pray for our leader to be granted more life." Garwe is associated with proponents of Resolution Number 1, a controversial proposal seeking to extend Mnangagwa's leadership beyond 2028. Following the circulation of Chiwenga's sermon, voices within this faction have escalated the attacks, with some calling for Vice President Chiwenga's resignation, accusing him of undermining the president. Doma developments are kuda panguva inoi ari kunonzi VP Constantino Chiwenga vapanguva yakaoma. Penako section medu dzavhungura enyu motodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musakangana subscribe or like, mochera on the bell icon.